Okay, could you introduce the Frisco?
Frisco, Texas is a fast-growing city in North Texas that has become known for strong schools, safe neighborhoods, and a thriving local economy. We are also a major
Okay,
destination for
thank you.
sports.
Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you how to put your AI avatar to the Kiosk machine like that one. I got a lot of requests from the customer asking me how to do that from very beginning. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. For example, I have one customer, they want to put the AI avatar to the Kiosk machine to introduce their city. Let me show you how to do this from beginning. First of all, you could go to the homepage of the NavTalk. So this could allow you pick up any avatar you want, or you could create your own avatar by yourself. I will put the video link to the description of this video, show you how to create your own avatar, even with your own voice by yourself from very beginning. So in this one, I just pick up one of them. So let's pick up this one. Now I add this one to my own avatar. I need to introduce my city, so I have the ChatGPT write some description for my city. So I put this one here to the prompt, your mayor of city of Frisco. So now this will let the AI know the role of the avatar. So you know how to introduce the city of Frisco. You could use the system prompt. But the system prompt only supports like 8,000 characters. If you want more, you could use the 11-app knowledge base. I have another video show you how to do that with the knowledge base. So the first message would be said, this is Mayor of Frisco. So let's do some tests just to make a call.
This is Mayor of Frisco.
Okay.
Glad you're here. What can I help you with today? Are you looking
It looks good. It looks very good. I need to take a look at the code. So here is the code. We only need the avatar. We don't need the chat message display on the page. So we only need that. Now you could download the source code. Let's change the name. Let's remove this one. Let's change the name to the index. You could put this page to anywhere you want. If you have the WordPress website, you just upload this one to your web server. So you will get a URL. You use this URL, deploy to the AI avatar machine, to the Kiosk machine. So let me test.
This is Mayor of Frisco.
Looks good. So this page looks good. Because I need to put this one to a server, I don't want to upload this one. So I put it to the folder over here, put this one to here. Then I use the VS Code to open this one. This is the VS Code. Go live. This is something I create a web server, local web server. So let's say process. And my IP address is this works. Use this URL. Basically, I need to use this URL. Also, it's a full screen. The Kiosk machine, then it should work. Okay. Also, it's a full screen. Do that. Use full screen. Let's. Okay. So let me show you how to do that. Let's go here. Let's
okay. This is a generic Kiosk machine. So you could install some app. I have this app. It's not free, but very cheap. So we use this guy. Now we click this 5 times. Okay. Now we add a website. So add a URL, HTTPS. Let's say my IP address. This could be any address about the avatar page. Okay, let's say this is test. Okay, I think that is pretty much all we need. Let's click anywhere. Say done. Okay, address is right. Okay, let's try. It's done. Okay, now let's click text. Okay, yeah, here we go. You can see we load the page and it is on full screen. If we click this one.
Mayor of Frisco.
Okay, could you introduce the Frisco?
Frisco, Texas is a fast-growing city built on opportunities that has become known from a small farming community into a safe neighborhood with more than 250,000 residents. We are also a major destination for
Thank you.
sports
Okay,
entertainment.
yeah, it looks
And
very
a
good.
Dallas Cowboys headquarters. We are also a major destination
Okay,
for
thank you.